So we got this tire on this head that is a tubeless tire, and we don't have a bead blaster, so we gotta figure out a way to get this tire to sit. So what we use is a ratchet strap, and we tighten it down in the center of the tire, and then that in turn pushes the bead out. So we'll tighten that down good. The bead looks like it's mostly set on the outside here. She's strapped down pretty good. And there's a little bend in the rim, so it might not take. We're going to tighten it down a little bit more, and we'll see if she'll take air. That's good. So now the bead's nice and right out to the edge. So now we can take the strap off. And we're good to go. Put a little more air in the tire up to the manufacturer's reading, and we're good to go.